Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. I'm Vera. In this video, I will show you how to display battery percentage on Vivo V40 Lite. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you. First thing first, open your settings menu. And then go to display and brightness, click it. Next you open status bar. Next you open battery style and percentage, click it. Yep, this is battery percentage. You can choose display outside battery. Tap on this. Yep, successfully. Now you can see the battery percentage number is already there. On my phone is 38. So guys, this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.